3D Internet is a leading developer of interactive computer-based and virtual reality training simulations. The TableTop Simulator for electric utilities allows users to create custom overhead transmission and distribution scenes. Completed scenes can be used for pre-job briefings and tailboards, safety meetings, group instruction, accident reconstruction and investigation. Users create scenes by dragging and dropping items such as trucks or other vehicles, power poles and towers, live line equipment, grounding cables, ladders and tools, people or workers in different poses and positions, selection of personal protective equipment, PPE. Items in the scenes are positioned and rotated into specific areas. Unique worksite scenarios can be created based on the utility's needs, specifications, procedures, and regulations. Other key features of the TableTop Simulator include the ability to add and customize attachments such as cover-up, switches, and jumpers. Add minimum approach distances, MAD, limits of approach, LOA, and reach distances. Save and print images. Share scenes with other users. Display accurate distance measurements between objects. Multiple environment options are available, such as plain blue or gray sky, high sun with clouds, mid-sun with clear sky, etc. Users can select sun direction, height, shadow direction, and intensity with daytime or night lighting, as well as specific custom viewing angles for the position of the sun. The TableTop Simulator can include your utility's specific requirements. More information available at www.3dinternet.com or email sales@3dinternet.com.